jumped in water, and I don't think she knows how to swim. She just knows how to walk. I don't trust her. You are such a good girl. Hey, you are a good girl, but you're not swimming. You're walking. Come on, you big goof.